Hi guys, we're back again. I'm just gonna video record some birds for a few seconds. I just made a video. I made a video just not too long ago. I'm going to see if I can get a good video of birds, which no one cares about, and neither do I. Right there. Yep, there's one. Now to see if any of the birds I'm gonna smack right here really hard, and they're probably gonna go off screeching. Probably not though. Nope. They're really tough birds. Nope, not scared of a window either. Well, since these birds are indestructible, I'm gonna just end the video here. Please like and subscribe. If you don't like this video, don't thumbs down it. Just don't give a like. Watch our other videos, please. Thank you. And hold on, I'm gonna get my... Okay, and